something really, really significant for GameStop. We haven't closed a 3-month bull trigger like this, and the last time was back in October 2019 before that push, before that squeeze, right? Prior to that was right here, where price went from $3 to 431. Prior to that was right here. Price went from $4 to $7. And then prior to that was right here. Price went from lows of $4 all the way to highs of $14. So, and I'm guessing the last 3-month bull trigger happened somewhere around here, and price went from $1 all the way up to $16. And keep in mind, this is all movement, right? Everything before 2020 is all movement prior to any GameStop shorts, any GameStop mainstream stuff. This is gonna close in about a month and 26 days. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I would not be surprised if within the next year you see a pretty significant move to the upside on GameStop, right? Obviously, this is a 3-month trigger, so anything can happen. If I had to guess a price, I mean, I don't even know, bro. Like, I don't even know what I would guess as far as where I think this is actually going. You know what I mean? But that 3-month trigger is extremely significant, right? Like, you every single time you've done it, you've had major pushes up, right? Right here, major push up, right? Major push up here, from 4 to here, push up, and then somewhere around this area, and then push up, right? That last time it did a 16x. But again, this is all before the mainstream GameStop short squeeze stuff. So again, I don't know, bro. This seems kind of significant. The last time we did this was back in 2019, right? And that was literally the bottom of GameStop before it rallied, 120x. Will it go back to 120? I don't think so, but it could definitely go up to maybe close to all-time highs, maybe $84. I don't know, bro. I'm just letting you guys know that this hasn't happened on GameStop for the last 5 years. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.